In this video you will find useful information on how to address a cleaning chore that many find quite difficult to deal with. Cleaning grout. It easily absorbs stains of various origin. If that is not bad enough, it often develops mold and mildew spots. It is easy to spot such issues, which can ruin the comfortable feel of your bathroom or backsplash in the kitchen. It goes without saying that you need to address the task, one way or another. Instead of troubling yourself with strong chemical cleaners, you can adopt a different approach. We are firm believers that baking soda is sufficient for cleaning grout lines. As you probably know, I am particular fans of this ingredient, as it is eco-friendly and doesn't leave any chemical residue. It is easy on your skin and lungs, and does an amazing job at removing stains and impurities from the grout area. Don't worry, cleaning with baking soda is actually quite easy. You will need toothbrush, baking soda, and vinegar to tackle the area. Follow these simple steps. Mix a paste of baking soda and water. Apply on grout lines with a toothbrush. Rinse with hot water. You will find this method quite useful for grout lines, especially since it doesn't involve chemicals. Whether you want to tackle the kitchen or the bathroom, baking soda will do its magic. It scours the area clean of any mold and mildew and paves the way for vinegar and water. The result will always be a wonderful and clean area. You will not only feel great as you see how clean and refreshed the room is, but also know that you have used no harmful ingredients in the process. How do you clean grout at home? Share in the comments below. Perhaps you have another eco-friendly cleaning recipe to share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive notifications on eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let me know in the comments what content you'd like to see in the future, or just share your feedback. I'm thankful to have you around.